Hello students, today I want to discuss with you one very important organic chemistry. It is a very important for JEE type of questions. So it is very useful. So please carefully listen and watch the video. This one is the question. So in this given question, C8H9Br in the presence of magnesium and ether, it gives some compound X. It is unknown. Afterwards, it reacts with dry ice. It gives Y. Then next Y in presence of a hot KMnO4 and acidic medium, it gives a tricarboxylic acid. This is the sequence reaction. So what is the question here? The isomeric compounds which will give the same tricarboxylic acid after the above sequence of reactions are. So now here the options alone given here. First option, second, third, fourth and fifth. So out of these five we have to select the answer. Here answers given, these all are the answers. So which one gives a tricarboxylic acid? Now we will discuss. Okay. Then, so how to solve this one? The first one is, first question, the above sequence reaction they gave, so like this one compound with the two CH3 groups, here one bromine. So this compound in the first condition in presence of magnesium and ether. So magnesium and ether means it is a Grignard formation only. Magnesium in presence of ether, it reacts with either aryl halide or alkyl halide. This one converts into Grignard reagent formation. So now here CH3 groups like this. It is MgBr formation, Grignard reagent. So further this Grignard reagent in presence of dry ice, the second condition given, that is a dry ice. Dry ice is nothing but what? Carbon dioxide. So in presence of carbon dioxide, the MgBr is a positive part. This complete group is the nucleophilic part. The nucleophilic part is attacks on the carbon dioxide. This one exists in the nature. OC double bond O. Here because of electronegativity of oxygen, oxygen get the partially negative. Here carbon get the partially positive. So partial positive nature means that carbon has a deficiency. So the nucleophilic nature of this one attacks on the carbonyl carbon or electrophilic center of carbon in the given carbon dioxide. So immediately here density increases more. These pi bonded electrons are moving towards adjacent oxygen atom. So finally we can write here, after rearranged product is, here CH3, here also CH3 group. Here we can write COOMgBr. This part alone it is a positive part, COO minus. Further in the presence of hard KMnO4 in presence of acidic medium. Hard KMnO4 in presence of acidic medium. So this part it is acts like a strong oxidizing agent. It easily oxidizes all kind of groups on the benzene. What are the groups present on the benzene? This is the one CH3 group. This is the one CH3 group. This magnesium bromide is replaced by H+. So finally we can write the product is, this is the COOH. This one also COOH. This part also COOH. Now if you give the numbering to this, we will get here it is a 1, 2, 3, 4. So here one position, second position, first, second and fourth position has carboxylic acids only. Okay, this is also one kind of a tricarboxylic acid. So next we will discuss the second condition. So what is the second condition here? Already given that condition. So according to that, this position has bromine, here CH3, here CH3 group. So if you apply one by one means, we will get the first condition alone, Mg ether Second condition, that is dry ice means carbon dioxide in presence of third step, hot KMnO4 and H plus. So we will get here now the final product only. I am writing here. So just now we discussed the procedure, same only here also. Now this bromine group is we can replace it by COOH, here also COOH, here also COOH. Here the position is 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3 tricarboxylic acid only formed here. In the above case also one product, that one has 1 to 4 position carboxylic acids. Here also another one. The next third one we will discuss. That another example is third one. This is the other compound. Same, if you apply the first condition, magnesium in presence of ether, and the second one is carbon dioxide dry ice case. Next, third one is hard KMnO4 followed by H plus, that means in the presence of acidic medium. Now in these cases what we will get finally, the CH3 groups alone all converted into acid groups. So here we can write COOH, here also COOH. This group bromine position also replaced by COOH. So this is another kind of product. So we can write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So here carboxylic acids formed first, third and fifth positions. Okay. The next fourth question. So in that fourth option we can write here bromine, here 2 CH3 groups. First, second carbon dioxide, third hot KMnO4 in presence of acidic medium. So we can write the product is here COOH, COOH, here also COOH. So the product is here again 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1, 2, 4. That is the another tricarboxylic product only we got. The next fifth one. The fifth one is here bromine, this one. In presence of these three conditions we will get here COOH, 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 1, 2, 4, 5, 6. Here also we got 1, 2, 4. So out of these 5 options, so we got 3 conditions alone only, same kind of isomers. So what is the question here, what he asked now? So look here all of you. The isomeric compounds which will give the same tricarboxylic acid after the above sequence of reactions. So which one we got here, same conditions means here options, first option, fourth option and fifth. So answer is B, first one, fourth one and fifth one. So these are the 5 options we got, same type of isomeric carboxylic acids. The next we will discuss another question that is also very very important. Once observe this reaction. In the given reaction, this one is fused form of a cyclic rings only. So in these two, in the presence of first condition is bromine in the presence of H nu, one equivalent, it gives here P is the product. That P further reaction with alcoholic KOH in the presence of heat, it gives product Q. Then next it is involving in the NCS in one equivalent only, it gives R. The R further reaction with B2H6 in the presence of CH3COOH. So P, Q, R, S only here products given. In that he given options A, B, C, D. So which one of the following option we will get by using these all products? So these kind of questions also very important in JEE mains. Definitely they will ask like this multi questions answers also. Now, so we will discuss so how to solve this kind of questions. Okay. Now the first one is the bicyclic compound of this compound. It reaction with the first option is bromine in presence of H nu, one equivalent only. So bromine in the presence of H nu means bromine in the presence of H nu, it involving in the free radical formation. That process is called homolytic cleavage. In the homolytic cleavage means it gives always a bromine free radical. So that bromine free radical involving in the free radical substitution reactions, FSR kind of reactions. So this bromine attacks on the easily. Now here this is the tertiary position only. So the tertiary position is the most stable compound. So we can write the product P here, this one. Okay, tertiary position only bromine substitution taking place. The next in the further step, what he given in the second condition is alcoholic KOH in the presence of heat. Alcoholic KOH means it acts as like a dehydrohalogenating agent. So in presence of this one HBr molecule only elimination takes place from this. Already bromine attached to this alkyl part, it is a alpha. The remaining adjacent group, it is a hydrogen is there, it is a beta position, either left or right. So it involving in the dehydrohalogenation conditions, and another position also is there, here also another one, here these two are same, here one more hydrogen, it is also beta. Here majorly it involving in the dehydrohalogenation process. In this dehydrohalogenation process, now we can form the major product is we can write this is the major product. The double bond develops in between the fused position only. The fused position only get the double bond. Now further this one involving in the reaction with the NCS, it is also one equivalent only. What is the meaning of NCS? N-chlorosuccinamide. N-chlorosuccinamide always gives this one also chlorine free radicals. The chlorine free radical again involving in the reaction with either this is the allylic position, this one also allylic position, this one also allylic, this one also allylic. So all allylic positions are equivalent. So that's why it involving in only one kind of equivalent condition. So we can write here the product is two types of products we can write. First this chlorine free radical react with here H only, it elimination takes place in the form of HCl. So we can write free radical, that free radical involving in the resonance also. So what are the products here formed? I will write now. Resonance product also involves. So this is the one kind of condition, here double bond, this is the allylic position, chlorine attacks here, this is the one kind of product. Next another type of product, after involving in the resonance, here only it develops one resonance form, here free radical will develop, now here chlorine attacks. So these are the two types of products only it gives. Then another one product is in the presence of B2H6, finally it involving in the reaction with B2H6 followed by the acetic acid. So generally these kind of reactions are called hydroboration oxidation reactions. H2O2 in the presence of OH minus means it gives alcohols or the products. But here CH3COOH given alkane. That double bonded carbon atoms converted into like alkane formation only. So the two hydrogen atoms easily attacks. So here these two products now converts into two types of products again we can write. Now here this is the fused position only double bond. If we add the hydrogen atoms, we will get the product is like this product only. Just addition of hydrogens only we can write. Why? Because hydroboration oxidation means BH3 molecule it gives H minus and BH2 plus. That H minus attacks here H minus here BH2. Further in the presence of CH3COOH it provide H plus only. This BH2 group replaced by hydrogen. So that two attacks on the same side. So we can write this is the one kind of product chlorine. Next further step is another product also it gives. That product is this reaction. This one gives what is the final another product, two products only it gives. So that product is we can write plus just simply that two hydrogens addition takes place here only these two positions. So here we can write again chlorine. Now here we can write these two products are one type, these two are one type. These are the S type of products. This one is a P, it is a Q, this one is R. So in the given question all answers are the correct only. It is a multi-answer type question. All products will form. So in question what he gave here, this is the question only. Here options Q may be this one. Q already we got this Q is elimination product. Here P given. P is what? Bromine substitution takes place at this position. That P may be at this fused position only one bromine substituted. So P also correct. Next one R. NCS means N-chlorosuccinamide. It gives a chlorine free radical. That one attacks on the which position? Either this position or this fused position only. After rearrangement this fused position. So we can get the product is yes may R value. No? So this one only. R may be option 2. Second B option. Next in the presence of hydroboration oxidation we got one of the product in the yes. This is also another kind of product. So this is a multi-type question answers only. So this is the procedure. We can follow this procedure only. Okay students, these kind of methods also very important. Definitely they will ask out of these questions one question definitely they will ask in your NEET exam. So if you like this video please subscribe and like and support my channel and share the video to your friends also. This is encouraging me to me only. Please support. Thank you.